You're welcome to
Giorich Fashion Academy.
Now in today's class we are going to be learning how to cut sleeve. I believe most of us here, or maybe every one of us here, will know how to cut sleeve very well. Let's put our hands on how to cut sleeve. Let's see how it goes. Now to cut a sleeve of a shirt, there are things you need to take into consideration. The first thing you need to know is the armhole. The armhole. When you know the armhole, you'll be able to divide and know how to position your fabric to cut your sleeve. Somebody say the armhole.
The armhole.
So let's draw a shirt first of all. This is a shirt. Now this is a armhole. Abi?
Yes, sir.
So now the first thing you will do is to calculate the circumference you're having here, the entire length you're having here. Watch what I'm doing. What do you have here? 11 inches. Say 11 inches.
11 inches.
So now with this 11 inches, we are going to fold our fabric to exactly 11 inches to have a perfect sleeve that will fit this armhole you're having here. So now let's assume we want to make our sleeve here. We will have a straight line first of all. You can see it, Abi?
Yes, sir.
So I'm taking 11 here, Abi?
Yes, sir.
11. 11. So from here now, the next thing we are going to do is to get our cap height. Somebody say cap height. So this is our cap height. Our cap height, if the armhole is 20, our cap height will be what? It will be what? Say it like you know it. It will be what?
5.
We got 5 because it's divided into 4, isn't it? So our cap height here is equal to 5. So we're going to come down here. Then we'll measure 5. Then you connect that 5, that region to this point. Am I correct? Then now, the next thing we're going to do is to draw what? Inverted S, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Let's see how we draw that. You go this way, then you kiss this point, then you come in like so. You see it?
Yes, sir.
You go this way, this is point, then you come in like so. This is a freehand sketch, but it is very perfect. You can also use your pattern ruler to make this, but it's very perfect. This is one way to draw the sleeve of the shirt. Then we'll go ahead to get the total length of the sleeve. Let's assume the length of the sleeve is 22. So we're going to go ahead from here and we'll measure our 22. Remember, we have not made our subtraction. We want to fix our curve. We know how to make our subtraction. Maybe you minus 1.5 inch based on the curve you're making. So we'll come here also to get a good sleeve. You measure what? 22. Then you connect the lines. Then the next thing we'll shake is our curve. Somebody say curve.
Curve.
Now the curve, if the curve is 10 inches, what are we going to measure for this region? Say it like you know it. 5 because it's divided into what? 2. So the 5 will come this way. we measure what? 5. So our goal now is to connect these whole lines together. Now you don't just go ahead and connect with a straight ruler like this. You don't connect with a straight ruler like this. It's wrong. Abi?
Yes,
It's
sir.
wrong. You use your pattern to pattern it, because if you do it this way, it will be too bulky for anybody that is wearing it, whether the client or the customer. See, it has to be this way. You see?
Yes, sir.
You see this curve?
Yes, sir.
It's better off than this one. This will give you an ultra slim outfit, an ultra slim sleeve than this one. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So we are going to go ahead to clean up this one. Then we will use our pattern ruler or whatsoever, or freehand sketch, just like I did, to just make a nice connection. You can see it. So this is how to make a perfect sleeve shirt. Is anybody a perfect sleeve? Is anybody having any question you can ask? Any question? Ugun, any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Pause the video. You